every now and again, y'all send us something so crazy, I have to try it. Okay, this is a handle of vodka, okay? 1.75 liters. All right. Now we come behind our vodka with some triple sec. You know, just add a little bit of flavoring. Smells delicious. I love my little vortex roll. All right, now we grab some country time lemonade. How much we can use? All. Now I gotta get that to dissolve a little bit in there. All right.
It's splashed everywhere.
Where it leaking from? We got a 30 pack of beer here. Now, you don't need to use Coors.
The recipe called for Coors.
Oh, the recipe called for Coors, okay? What's the difference in taste between that and everything else?
Oh no. Yay! Oh, it's going everywhere.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It didn't go in?
I'm gonna lose one.
Oh!
You're just making it harder for yourself.
So guys, I gotta open like this.
How many are left?
A lot. We call this the Michael Jordan pour, okay? Watch.
Why is that Michael Jordan?
Because how high I'm going up and I'm taking off from the free shot line. Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Is this the last one?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, that's all of that. Now, guys, now to the good stuff. What good stuff, Sky? We have here sherbet. Now, his recipe, and guys, his name is Thomas.
DeBoer.
No, Thomas de Bear Boer. Dude, I know a girl with this last name. Maybe it's your sister.
Do you
Thomas.
think anybody licked this?
By the way, why isn't this properly sealed, man? Okay, so let's get this ice cream in here. This is sherbet. This is not ice cream. Okay, I get in big chunks down here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at it coming. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a heart.
Thomas, we're using all this sherbet on your drink.
He said a gallon.
He said a gallon. This is actually 1.25. So we putting in more sherbet than he actually asked for. All right, guys, and you got to work out to do this because this is heavy. Huh!
Oh, it's going everywhere. It looks like tea.
And there you have it, Thomas's summer beer. This is super cool, all right? I like when you guys try new things, and trust me, we dumb enough to try them right with you, okay? So we jumping off this cliff together. Please go to tipsybartender.com. At the bottom, there's a submit recipe button. All you guys that got cool stuff, send us your recipes, man. We obviously will try them, okay? Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive.